The USS John Berry was launched on December 21st, 2012 on a 10-year mission to explore the outer reaches of the solar system, mainly Pluto. No person and only one machine has ever made it out here. No one is quite sure what we will find. Yet, like our namesake, we came for the adventure. These are the voyages of the USS John Berry.
Hello mates, how far are we from Pluto now?
Captain, we're 10 AUs away from Pluto. We have passed Hydra and Nix, two of Pluto's moons, and we should reach Charon by tomorrow.
How about that? Do you know we'd be the first humans ever to see surface since Pluto was discovered by 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh?
Wow. And nobody really knows what it'd be like either, huh, Captain?
Not true, Ensign. Most scientists think that the surface would probably be composed of nitrogen that's frozen. That's why when Hubble photographed it, Pluto looked very reflective.
I'm switching off the radio now, sir. At this length, it would take about many hours for a signal to reach Earth. After all, Pluto is 49.3 AUs away from the Sun. But due to its highly eccentric orbit, it sometimes is closer to Earth than Neptune.
Roger that. Best to conserve energy so we can heat up. On average, the surface temperature ranges from 235 to 210 degrees Celsius.
What will it be like when we land, Captain?
Well, because the sun will look like a star from here very dark, there is some atmosphere probably composed of nitrogen and some carbon monoxide and methane. It is only during perihelion when it actually exists as gas.
Interesting, Captain.
I think I'll go get some Earl Grey tea while I wait.
Captain, we're getting a hail from an approaching radio. Okay.
That's strange. The area that surrounds Pluto, there's no other life here in the Kuiper Belt.
Hello, I am Captain Coda of the ship Frittatar. State your business.
Hello, I'm Captain Marcus Wakefield of the USS John Berry. We're here on an exploration mission to Pluto.
That seems very doubtful. Why would you wish to explore Pluto, of all places?
Well, Pluto is what we would refer to as a dwarf planet, and studying its formation and composition might give us clues about other dwarf and Kuiper Belt objects. And since it has been untouched, it might give us clues to some mysteries surrounding our own solar system's early history.
I'm intrigued by your knowledge of Pluto. What is the mass and diameter of it?
The diameter is around 2270 kilometers, and it stays around 6.4 Earth days. The mass we do know of, though, is the combined mass of Charon, the moon of Pluto, and Pluto itself, which is around 2100 kilograms.
I will let you live, since you do appear to be telling the truth. It's weird that we speak the same language and kinda look the same. Oh well, goodbye.
Not goodbye, until we meet again. Ensign, take us on a route of 160 degrees northwest with 10 times power to thrusters.
Aye aye, Captain.